In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the TradingView platform, a powerful tool widely used in the trading community. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this guide will provide you with the fundamental steps to efficiently access and interpret the comprehensive heat maps available on TradingView. To begin our journey, you need to first head over to the TradingView website. As you open the site, you'll notice the plethora of tools and features available that cater to traders of all levels. It's a hub for everything you need to make informed trading decisions. Now focus your attention on the top navigation bar. This is your gateway to exploring the vast array of resources TradingView offers. Next, locate the Products section. It's typically found on the main menu at the top of the page. Clicking on Products unveils a drop-down list of various features and tools that TradingView provides. These include everything from charts to financial analysis tools, ensuring that you're never short of information and resources. Among the options you will find heat maps. Click on this feature and let it open the window into a visual representation of the market's performance. Heat maps are an incredibly effective way to quickly gauge market sentiments and trends. They use colors to represent data values, which allows you to instantly identify which sectors or stocks are gaining momentum and which are faltering. This bird's eye view is invaluable, especially for those who need to make quick trading decisions. Now that you've accessed the heat map section, your next move is to dive deeper into specific markets. For this, you'll want to click on Stocks. This will direct you to a detailed breakdown of stock performance data displayed in an easy to understand heat map format. Keep in mind that each tile on the heat map represents a stock, with market capitalization often reflected in the size of the tiles, while colors illustrate their performance, with greens for gains and reds for losses. Being able to visually interpret this data allows you to notice trends that might not be as obvious in traditional numeric charts. Remember, while heat maps provide a fantastic overview, they should be used in conjunction with other analysis tools for a comprehensive trading strategy. Spend some time exploring the different sectors within the stock heat map and how they relate to current market conditions. The insights you gain could inform your trading strategies and help pinpoint where your next investment might lie. So there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the use of heat maps on TradingView, empowering yourself to make more informed trading choices. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, whether you're new to trading or a pro, TradingView is an excellent companion on your financial journey.